and welcome to my home. My name is Kathy, and in today's Cooking with Rations video, I'm going to be cooking a recipe out of the Victory Cookbook. This cookbook was written by Marguerite Patton, and she gave food demonstrations and taught how to cook with rations in Britain during World War II, during that era. From 1940 to 1954 is when they were on rations, and she would teach classes on how to cook meals using the rations that they were allotted during that time. So today's recipe is going to be for potato fingers, and this would have been a side dish that they would have made using leftover mashed potatoes. And so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so what I have here is a half a pound of mashed potatoes, which is equivalent to about a cup. And to that I'm going to add 1 ounce of flour, which is approximately a quarter of a cup. And the recipe calls for mixing these together. And I do have a little bit of milk here if I need to add a little bit of liquid to it, but I think these have enough in them. Now I'm just going to season these with a little bit of salt and pepper. Mixed in real good. Now most of the recipes in this book are for 4 servings, so I'm guessing that this side dish would also be for 4 servings. Okay, now that that's all mixed up, we're going to just take these and put them on the baking dish, forming them into little fingers. And I'm guessing these are going to be kind of like French fries, sort of, when they're done. I think that looks about right. So you could make this with either, maybe leftover mashed potatoes, or might even be a good way to use like potato flakes or instant mashed potatoes, and give it a different texture and taste, so you're not eating the same thing all the time. My oven heating up to 425. That would be 220 degrees Celsius for those of you that bake using the metric system. Once I have all these formed, I'll be baking them for about 10 minutes. Or until they're nice and golden brown. And now it says, once you're done forming them all, to give them a little brush with a little bit of milk or with egg. And I'm sure you could use reconstituted dry eggs for this as well, but maybe not. Might need that. Might need the egg yolk. But anyhow, I'm using milk today. Okay, now into the oven they go. So while the potato fingers are cooking, I just wanted to share a little clip out of this book. I'm really enjoying reading this book. It has all sorts of little stories in it and little advertisement sayings from back in that era. And this one is Song of Potato Pete. Potatoes new, potatoes old. Potato in a salad cold. Potatoes baked or mashed or fried. Potatoes whole, potatoes pied. Enjoy them all, including chips. Remember spuds don't come in chips. Okay, well these are done. As you can see here, they got nice and crispy on the bottom. I did flip them while they were cooking, but I think I needed to flip them a little bit sooner than I did so that I could make sure they got nice and brown on both sides. But as you can see, they're nice and brown, soft in the middle, and very similar to like a French fry with soft potato in the middle. I think that would be really good with some ketchup. Or dip it in some ranch dressing. But that would definitely be a change up to how you would eat mashed potatoes, and a good way to use any leftovers so that you didn't have any waste. Let me know in the comments section down below what you would put on these to eat them. Maybe gravy or mustard. How would you like to eat them? Well, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified each time I put out a new video. Next Tuesday, we'll be doing another Cooking with Rations video, so please watch out for that and be sure to watch it next week. Okay, well until next time, I hope you have an amazing day and we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.